equals 10x, or 9x equals 153. We'll divide, we'll get x equals 17. Now, I'm not immediately going to put answer of 17 here because I'm asked for RVT. We want to know how large angle RVT is. Well, that's just angle 1, which is 5x. 5 times x, 5 times 17. 5 times 17 is 85. So angle RVT is 85 degrees. All right. Notice this is a different picture. The circle, the point R is outside the circle, so I'm going to be using a difference. Angle 1 is going to be half of x minus y. This thing that's larger, that's further away, we'll call that x. The thing that's inside, we'll call that y. And we can make our substitutions. 21, which is angle 1, is equal to half of 10x plus 2 minus, and notice I'm putting this in parentheses, it's going to be important that you place this in parentheses, x plus 5. That minus sign we're going to actually have to distribute. It's going to be a minus x and a minus 5. We're distributing the minus sign. So we really have 10x plus 2 minus x minus 5 inside of parentheses there, times 1/2 equals 21. We'll also get rid of the 1/2 by multiplying the other side by 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, times 2, times 2. We'll make those go away. We'll get 42 equals 10x minus x, that's just going to be 9x. 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. Add 3 to both sides, we'll get 45 equals 9x, or x equals 5. Luckily, am I just asked for x equals? Yes. So that's my answer. You'd have the same idea here. I'm going to leave this one for you briefly. Take a minute to try it out. As a quick note then, hopefully you've tried it out. In this process you should have hopefully found that x in the answer was 42. If you hopefully found x was 42, and that hij, your final answer, was 45 degrees. Your setup should have been x plus 3 equals half of 4x plus 8 minus 86. You'd combine like terms, you'd maybe multiply everything by 2, or multiply the left-hand side by 2 to get rid of the 1/2 on the right-hand side. You can do multiple different ways. There are multiple different ways to do the work from here to getting your answer of x equals 42. But you should get the answer x equals 42 no matter what. Let's now focus on the last type of problem, which was just writing an equation for a circle. I provided you the important information for a circle, or provided you the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle looks like x minus h squared plus y minus k, parentheses, squared equals r squared. In your picture on your reference sheet, gives you a circle with a R labeled as being the radius, because you know R is the radius, and the center being the coordinate HK. What's going to be important for you to do is to identify the center of your circle. In this case, our center is at -5, -4. Meaning our H and K are -5 and -4. You also have to identify your radius, R. Going from the center, straight left, how long is that line? Well, just 4 long, so the radius is 4. You're just going to have to plug these 3 numbers, the -5, the -4, and the 4, in for H, K, and R, and simplify a little. We're going to write x minus -5, close the parentheses, squared, plus y minus -4 squared equals 4 squared. This would not be acceptable an answer by itself. You would want to combine and simplify just a handful of things. The things you would have to worry about simplifying are this. We don't want to deal with a minus the negative number, so we're going to rewrite that as a plus. Minus the negative is a plus. And we can also just evaluate what 4 squared is. We'll end up writing your answer as x plus 5 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 16. If you see minus a negative number, if you see 2 negative signs in a row, just make it a plus sign. Get rid of both of them and make it a plus sign. That would be your answer. You've got 3 questions like that. I'll take the time to look over your previous quiz results. After watching this video, I would cover up your answers, your previous answers, and the correct answers on iExcel, try out the question independently, and then check your answer after. Alright. Have a good night.